Did you know there's a way to bypass the recording limit on your Ray-Ban Metas and record forever? Well, at least until your glasses die. This right here is a 43-minute long video that I recorded with Ray-Ban Metas. But before I show you how, we're trying to reach 10,000 subscribers by the end of September. So if you want to know tips and tricks like this in all things Ray-Ban Meta, and a lot of videos that you're not going to find anywhere else on YouTube or the internet, subscribe to the channel. When I get to 10,000 subs, I have a special surprise waiting for you guys. But more on that later. We just hit 5,000 on the 4th of July, which is incredible. Thanks so much for your support. And now I'm going to show you how to do this. So this is the example video that I recorded, and as you can see, it looks pretty good. But there is a caveat. It is not perfect. So if you don't think that quality is anywhere near as good as this quality, which is normal Ray-Ban Meta quality, then you can just click off this video. But if you still want to see the trick, keep watching. Now, maybe you've never heard of this, but basically all you're doing is streaming to Instagram Live and downloading the stream immediately after it finishes. But I know what you're thinking. You want to click off the video. You're like, whoa, I don't want to have to live stream in front of all my friends and family just to get a longer video. That is ridiculous. And I don't want to go through the hassle of creating a fake account just to have this little extra trick with the Ray-Ban Metas either. Well, lucky for you, I found the solution. With the method I'm about to show you, no one is even going to see that you're on Instagram Live. It will be impossible for anyone to join or see that it's being recorded. And this is on your primary account. It's not on a fake one. It's on your account. The video is just for you. No one will see it, and you'll have up to 30 days to save it and download it, or you can just choose not to. While you're streaming to Instagram Live, the recording limit is completely gone. It doesn't matter what you have the recording limit set to in the glasses, it will just go on forever until you end the stream. That is why the quality is a little bit worse. In order for this to work, you're obviously going to need at least one Instagram account and the Instagram app downloaded. Now, before you even start the recording, open Instagram, tap on your profile picture over here, then go to the settings in the top right corner. The third option will be archive, tap on that. And then up here in the top right, there will be these three dots, tap on that and go to settings. This is really important because if you don't do this, your entire Ray-Ban Meta video will be deleted and then you're just gonna be really sad. So make sure you do this and then go down, save live to archive. You're going to want to make sure that is toggled on. When it's on, your video will automatically be saved to this archive for 30 days. So live videos are archived for 30 days. So you have that amount of time to download it, but once it's in your camera roll, it's not gonna delete it after 30 days, it will stay there. Okay, now that you've done that, go ahead down here to the middle where the plus is and tap on that. Then at the bottom, make sure that you tap on live. And once you've tapped on that,
double press the capture button to switch to your glasses camera.
Once you're at this live screen, you're gonna wanna do a couple things. First, go up here and tap share with everyone. You do not want that unless you want everyone to see your live stream. So we have everyone. We could do close friends, which would definitely cut down on the amount of people that could see it. But at the very bottom, you'll see that there's a new practice button. And there's an icon that shows that no one will see this live. This is just for practicing. So go ahead and tap on that. At the top, it should say not shared private. So now no one is going to see this video and you can make the Ray-Ban Metas record forever. But this is still my phone's camera. We need to switch it to the glasses. In order to do that, all you're going to do is double tap the capture button on your glasses, just like that.
Switch to your glasses camera.
So I've just done it. I do have the LED blocked right now with a new method that I don't think has been released yet, but you'll see soon. But as you can see, I'm looking up at the ceiling and you're seeing everything that my glasses are seeing. Next, all you're going to want to do is tap the go live button. It will count down for you, check your connection, and you are now in a practice live. So now you can just record for as long as you possibly want. I left my glasses outside just looking at the nice cherry tree for 43 minutes before they died. But if you connect the infinite battery accessory I showed you, you can last even longer than that. When you're done, all you have to do is press the X up here and end now.
Your live video has ended.
From here, you'll see there's no option to download the video, but that is totally normal. It'll say discard video. Don't worry, that won't actually delete it because of the setting I showed you earlier. So go ahead and tap that. It says this live video won't be saved unless you've previously chosen to archive all your live videos for 30 days, which we did earlier. So go ahead and tap discard. Now you're going to want to tap on your profile icon. Tap on the options over here. Then third from the top right here is archive, so tap on that. And you will see the live I just recorded, as well as the 43-minute live I recorded earlier. So you're just gonna tap on the live you want to download, and then there's just a download button. That's literally all it is. Press download. It will load for really short if it was a 5-second video like that one, or a little bit longer if it's the 43-minute one. And that is literally everything. Now you will see in my camera roll there is the Ray-Ban Meta video, and that is what the quality looks like. So if that's acceptable quality for you, you can get unlimited recording time with your Ray-Ban Metas. Okay, so that is how to record for an unlimited amount of time with your Ray-Ban Meta glasses. Again, if you want them to record for hours on end, just get the infinite battery accessory, which I have a video on, and there's a link in the description. And if this video helped you out and taught you something new, go ahead and subscribe. Again, you're not gonna wanna miss what happens at 10,000 subs. I'll have a special surprise for you there. But until then, let's get to that 10,000 as fast as we can. We reached 5,000 on the 4th of July last night. It has been less than 24 hours since then, and we are already at 5,381 subs. So we're going fast, guys. Keep on subscribing. This is about to go crazy. Anyways, thank you so much for watching the video. Make sure to check out that link to get a free $25 if you haven't already. And until next time,